An excellent setup here, one of the first open houses in the new building, and the audience here is very inquisitive, especially with the presentations that I've given, and I'm sure they're equally inquisitive of the questions they probably pose to other vendors. One of the first presentations, which is very basic and rudimentary for our group here, is dimensional metrology hierarchy. A lot of interest. People were excited about just the steps in which the hierarchy is created. Then I dived into the topic of shorten your GD&T, very critical language for design, manufacturing and quality, some core concepts that allow us to be better metrologists. And then I summed it up with the topic of measurement uncertainty budgets and assessment as to how calibration and traceability is integral to metrology and metrology service providers.